or welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done it yet, do it right away. So today, I am back with clay art. Using fabric molded clay, I am going to create the Thanjavur dancing doll. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. At first, creating a nice circular base for our doll and then attaching a toothpick to hold her legs upright. Okay, moving further, now I'll make the legs. Nothing complicated. Adding a big blob of clay onto the toothpick and then smoothing the surface using tools and water. Adding her foot and ornaments and a U-pin at the top. First part of a doll is done. Now in process of making the head. Make a hollow bowl-like shape and curved nose just as shown. And I'm also going to add golden ornaments like crown, mangtika and earrings. Make sure to keep the head, breast and skirt hollow because Thanjavur doll is a type of traditional Indian bobblehead made out of clay. Hence, the weight is concentrated at bottom, generating a dance-like continuous movement with slow oscillations. After the head, now I am moving towards her breast. Again, creating a bowl-like shape and then slowly attaching her hands, palms and necklaces and bangles. Also, don't forget to add a neck and attach U-pin in it. By the way, isn't it easy to create? Molding individual parts and then sticking them together. Well, after that, here comes the skirt. For this, I covered a U-shaped container which I had with clay and then smoothed it and spread it evenly all over the container with the help of water. Again, I'll also attach a blob of clay on top of it as shown and insert a U-pin to hang our upper body on it. And I'll crave her half sari and add texture using tools to give it a designer skirt feeling. And with this, all the parts of the doll are ready. Let them dry completely and then we'll apply a coat of gesso. You can also use white acrylic paint for this step. Okie dokie. Now let's start with adding some colors and bring our doll to life.
Bring our doll to life? What?
Just kidding. I meant let's add colors to make our doll look more cuter and attractive.
Okay.
So using acrylic paints here. These paints are thick and hence there is no need of multiple coats to apply. Like ek do coat mein it's done. Also, it won't wash away easily because of water unlike poster colors, watercolors or gouache. So yeah, perfect suit. Starting by applying skin color to the legs, neck, hands and face. After this is done, now I'll start painting the skirt with yellow color. I am also adding orange to tone down the bright yellow color a little. Using yellow here to portray happiness and confidence. Then for the blouse, I went with red. Notice that I'm also adding cute swastik design on feet and mehndi on hands as well to give a touch of Indian tradition. So using red for blouse to portray attractiveness, bright and bold nature of our doll. And lastly, blue to her sari drape as it is complementary color to yellow and stables the brightness depicted from yellow and red. Finally, painting her jewelry with gold and adding last few face and dress details. And then voila! Our own Thanjavur dancing doll is ready. Apply a coat of varnish at the end so that your doll remains safe and new for a longer time. Isn't she cute? Do hit the like button if you love my today's crazy idea and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.